your girl DéjaNikira and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a quick video on like the must-dos, the things that you must do before you buy hair, especially, and I'm strictly talking about Aliexpress vendors. So here's why I'm talking about Aliexpress vendors and not just the average girl from your hood selling hair or public figures of social media that sell hair. So back to Aliexpress. The first thing you have to do is do your research, sis. You're not getting in the first car that you see on the lot and driving off with it. No, you're getting the Carfax. You're giving it a test drive. Get the hair facts. There's no reason why you can't get hair facts. It's 2019. It's Google, Instagram, Twitter, your girlfriends, anybody. You can get the hair facts. I don't put my information below or say, hey guys, make sure to follow me on my social media and write me and contact me if you need anything. I'm not just saying it to waste air. I really mean it, and I appreciate the people that have reached out. The biggest thing you have to do when watching hair reviews is that a lot of content makers, especially with higher followings, bigger platforms, are getting paid for these reviews. No one's paying you to trash their products. So of course most hair products when you first, or most bundles when you get them, is gonna be lustrous, it's gonna have luster, it's gonna have body, it's gonna have shine, it's not gonna shed, it's gonna be good. The tip to this is contact these people. If you watch my video and you see hair but you see the review, the initial review, or the 3-month review was 12 months ago or 6 months ago or 4 months ago, contact me, snap me and say, hey sis, how is that hair holding up? And I'll tell you whether it's trash, whether it's still worth your money, or whether you should just go look elsewhere. I'm going to tell you because I don't like to waste my money. I mean, I'll food, but that's another story. We're not gonna get in that. But get the hair facts. Rule number 1, get the hair facts. Just don't jump all willy-nilly into buying hair unless you got it like that. And even if you do got it like that, I just don't know who wants to throw away money. Not me, but whatever floats your boat. But that's my advice. Get the hair facts. 2 is watch multiple videos. I like to always, this is highly inappropriate, but when you watch adult content, I like to go to the amateur section. I don't want to see the pros. Go to the amateurs. Go to the people with lower subscribers, lower views, because most of the time they're not getting paid for this. This is their real money, so they're giving you their raw, honest opinions, and that's where you get the most of the real information from. But then I also like to turn and look at people whose videos have higher views or who have bigger platforms to see if it matches. If all the reviews, most of them, I mean, you're gonna have some outliers here and there, but if across the board they're all consistent, then that's when you know you could check it off and you could go ahead and give it a try. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget anything. The other thing is you have to look at how long the company has been out and how long they've been established. Usually when hair companies, I've come across this, when they're first starting out or when the hair just starts to get notoriety or get popularity, the quality is amazing. But as soon as it booms, it becomes the fashion nova of hair, their quality decreases. So you have to look out for that. You have to also match when this company came out to reviews and all of that. It sounds like a lot of work, but I don't like wasting my money. And it's not really a lot of work. It actually takes a matter of maybe 20 minutes. The same amount of time you can sit here and scroll through Instagram. If you're going to spend your money, I feel like you can put the same effort into looking up if it's actually valid or not. The pros and cons of Aliexpress hair is that it's cheaper, but you pay for what you get what you pay for. Now, if you're not paying $1,000+ for bundles, then don't expect $1,000+ quality. But for the money that you spend, you can still receive hair that is of good quality. Now, you have to go on Aliexpress and look at the hair websites and check the ratings. If you only have 15 ratings, but they're all 5-star, I'd be a little sus because why do you only have 15 ratings? If you have 15,000 and it's 4.5, I would more so go with that company because there's more people buying it. Like when you go on those websites and see what their ratings are, listen to it. That's like someone, you know, when they say believe a person when they show you who they are. Girl, the website is telling you who they are. So don't say like, oh, well, this one girl said it was really good. If you really want to give it a try, give it a try. But ratings are important. So the top things that you have to do when dealing with Aliexpress vendors are look at their social media pages. If they have a lot of, the biggest thing is, if they have a lot of big influencers and they're using their pictures and you go to their pages or their profiles or their YouTube channels and don't see them doing any type of review for that product, ditch that company fast because they're lying, they're frauds, they're phony. They are phony. And there's so many people that you see like, oh my God, that hair looks so nice on Jackie or Pigment. And they've never tried that hair. It's not on their channel at all. Don't fall for the tricks, sis. Don't do it. That's the biggest thing. A lot of these companies like to lie. Don't get caught up in a company that's completely fraud, because you'll just be sad and assed out completely. So there's just ways around getting bamboozled, pretty much. So I just gave you my 3 that I like to do to keep me from getting bamboozled. And like I said earlier, if you have any questions, seriously, add me, write me in a comment, add my Snap and my Instagram. Those are 2 social media platforms I'm on the most. I'm also on Twitter. All of them are DéjaNikira. And all that information is below. If you guys have any more questions, I have a video coming up of hair companies that you should buy from and hair companies that you should not buy from, and my reasons why, and pictures and all that stuff to follow with, you know, supporting my reasoning behind not supporting or supporting these companies. So, of course, like always, until next time, y'all, stay cute and stay blessed. See ya.